Boost Hospitality Podcast. My name is Mark Simpson. I'm the founder of Boostly, and we are in season 7, episode 7. And today we're talking all about hiring your first virtual team member. I invited on Tega, who has been helping small business owners, solopreneurs for the past few years now figure out where in their business they need help, and he helps people by then hiring team members from all over the world, and then he helps manage the whole process. What would you say from your experience, from everybody that you've helped, the ones that have succeeded and the ones that failed, what would you say are the types of personas or the type of people that would do best from hiring virtually?
With the exception of your specialist services like your doctors, nurses, lawyers, to some degree your bookkeeper and your accountant, those are not positions that you want to hire out virtually. But if you have a business in this day and age, and let's say 70 to 90% of your business activity is done on a computer, in my opinion, there's no reason why you cannot hand the tasks off to a virtual team member. I tend to find that nowadays the term VA is just being used without any real consideration. Perfect example of this is they are online business managers. So these are people who traditionally in a brick and mortar business would be business managers. The only difference is they're working online. But rather than call themselves online business managers, they call themselves VAs. Because they call themselves VAs, and in reality, they are online business managers, they charge online business manager prices.